Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, June 17th. Hope everybody's doing well and that you had a great week. Everything's good here, and I did get some goodies this week that I'm looking forward to showing you. And yeah, let's get started. This one I had actually gotten last week, but I forgot to show it. This is hot press watercolor paper. So this, I think that means is that the paper is not as textured as the cold press. So I'm looking forward to doing some stamping on this and then watercoloring. So I will let you know how it goes. I'll link it down in the description box if you're interested. Sorry, oh boy, that's a lot of noise, but I haven't opened it yet, obviously. But it comes with 10 8x10 sheets of, oh yeah, so this is hot press paper and it's much smoother than the cold press paper. It still has a little bit of texture, but it looks like one side is smoother than the other. So I am looking forward to giving that a try. I'm having a lot of fun watercoloring. You know, I'm not good at it yet. Hopefully I will be one day, but yeah, I am trying it. And actually I did swatch that King Art palette that I got last week, and these are all the colors. I had gotten it from TJ Maxx, and I thought I would just show it to you in case you are wondering. Now this one I put a question mark by it because it says that it's brown, but that is obviously not brown. So I don't know what color that is supposed to be, but it's not brown. I know that. But everything else looks pretty reasonable the way they're named. So yeah, I'm going to try coloring with these. I like that this has a good variety. It's got like a black and gray, which I didn't have on some of the other palettes that I got. And some nice pinks and mints, some yellows. So yeah, just thought I'd show that to you. All right, let's go on to Michael's. I went there. I didn't know they were having clearance, and I was walking around and they were. So I got this for $3, and these are gusseted reclosable bags, and these are in not really the jewelry section, but it might have been like the clay section. But anyway, there are 25 bags, and they're 7.3 by 4.7 inches, and they have a 2-inch gusset, which I thought was really cool. So that'll be nice to store stuff in. And I did get some bags in the card making section. These weren't on clearance, but they were buy one, get one half off. And they're, I think they were like $3 each. So one was $3 and one was $4.50. And these will fit A2 cards. So got those. I was running out of plastic bags, so picked those up. And then these were on clearance. These are stamp and die sets, and I guess you can make a slider card with them and like slide the dog over. It tells you on the back how to do that. I probably won't do that. I just like the stamps. I thought they were adorable. And I like that there are matching dies. So yeah, got that. You're awesome. So yeah, this was on clearance for $5 from $10. And then I got this one too. Also could be a slider card, but yeah, I probably won't do that. I have some hot air balloon stamps, but I like these. I thought these were really, really cute. Love is in the air. The sky's the limit. So you can use these for, you know, like anniversary or Valentine or, you know, graduation for the sky's the limit. Yeah. And the stamps that go with it. Die, sorry. And these, oh, I guess those are the things you need to slide them. Maybe I will try it. I don't know. Seems like a lot of work. I also got this on clearance for $2. Warmest wishes for a happy birthday. They had a couple different birthday sentiments, but I don't have anything that says that, so I picked that up. And I got some jump rings, and this is a nice assortment of jump rings, I thought. I thought they were just big ones, but there are some little ones in there too. So it doesn't say what it was, and I didn't really look, but it's $2 now, and they really look nice and thick. I have some bigger jump rings, but they're really, really thin and bendable, so I don't trust them very well. I think these would be great to use on dangles. And look, it looks like it has like maybe 8mm ones in there too. Does it say? No, it doesn't say the sizes, but has 120 pieces. So $2, I think this is a really good deal. I've seen other people get chains and things like that, but I didn't need any of that. I also picked up another pack of the Cricut insert cards, and these are still on clearance for $3. They still had lots of different ones, but I just got this assortment, and I did cut it open so we could take a look, but actually let me just show you the names of them. You get pre-scored cards, 4 Midnight Blue, 4 Khaki, 4 Tulip, and then the inserts, 4 Burnt Red, 4 Deep Teal, and 4 Maroon, and 12 white envelopes. So I had been trying out the other color combinations that I got, and they're really, really nice. I love the texture on them. Uh-oh, maybe I should have opened it. Oh, maybe it opens the bottom. This is kind of difficult. Hold on one sec. All right, got it out. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, so the inserts are just like a flat card. So you could put those, well, I'll use these for die cutting, I'm sure, but see the texture on that? Yeah, you can see that, right? It's beautiful, really, really nice quality. So there's the red, this like deep teal, nice jewel tone. Thinking holidays for this assortment. I love this maroon. That's so pretty. Good for like primitive projects, I think. And this nice blue, these are the cards, like the folded cards. Oops, I'll go that way. Very nice. And then this is khaki, which will be nice for baking and also primitive projects. And then this really pretty pink, nice pale pink. So $3 for all these good high quality cards, plus the envelopes is pretty good. And again, they still had a bunch there, so hopefully your stores do too. All right, I think that was it. No, I got one more thing for Michael's. This was in the patriotic section, and all their patriotic right now is 60% off. And this is one of those ribbon bundles, but they have it in a holiday theme. So instead of $9.99, it was $3.99. And it doesn't seem to be quite as much as the one in the other bundles, like the ones that are in the back of the store by the regular ribbons. But I don't know, actually there's a good amount in here. And I didn't get them necessarily for patriotic projects, but like there's, you know, plain red and plain whites and plain blue. So you can always use those. I mean, light blue, you know, and red and white is perfect for holidays and, you know, peppermint projects, Valentine's Day. So the only like really patriotic one in here, well, there's this one. And then there's this funky trim. Let me get a good piece of it. Okay, there we go. It's like chenille kind of. I don't know what I'd use that for, but it is interesting. But for $4, this is a really good deal, I think. So yeah, this was in the patriotic decor section. So yeah, trim bundle $9.99. I hadn't seen anybody haul that yet, so I was, you know, happy to find it. So that is it from Michael's. All right. And let's see, I went to Joann's. Well, I did a pickup order because you get an extra 20% off for picking up your stuff. So, and good thing I did because my store still hasn't reset the paper crafting section. So they don't have the new Maggie Holmes and everything else out yet. But I was able to put it in my pickup order. So I finally picked up the round trip paper pad, and I wasn't sure if I was ever going to get this. I mean, it's nice, but it's not like, you know, screaming to me like you have to have it like garden party or something like that. But I did get it because the price was, it was 40% off. So it came out to be $4.49 instead of $7.49, and then there was an extra 20% off. So you can't beat that, you know. So I'm sure you've all seen this, but I will do a quick flip through. Love the florals. I love these kind of pages too. There's some nice foiling in here. Look at that, gold hearts on white. Really pretty. Stripes. Oh, that's nice too. I like that a lot. So, you know, I really like Maggie Holmes, but I don't have to have everything that she puts out. That's cute, but I don't know what I'd use that for. That's pretty. She has a new collection coming out called Parasol. Oh, that one looks really, really nice. I think I saw a preview on a cherry on top. So if you want to take a look at it, go look there. These are nice tags. I like these. It's so pretty. Oh, nice gingham. Airplanes. Oh, that's cute. The stars. And these are single-sided. I like that too. Oh, that's so pretty. With the, let's see, different landmarks. I thought it was just France, but no. And tickets and luggage tags. That's cute. If you want to do an album or a scrapbook, this would be perfect for that. This I've seen before, right? We've seen that before. So I think they're like kind of recycled sometimes, you know, but they all go together, which is nice. So that was round trip. I also ordered the ephemera, but the lady, when I went to pick it up, she said, I couldn't find it in the back. So I was like, that's all right. But she did find the stationery, which is nice. And this comes with 20 pieces, and these are all the pieces that it comes with. I'm not going to open it up because I make a mess when I do that, but you could see what it comes with. So these are fun. These are great journaling spots for mini albums. And I've been kind of itching to make another mini album, so maybe I'll use this. And I always say I'll start out with one collection, obviously not this one because I don't have enough, but then I, reach into other collections. And I do like to mix things because then it looks more unique, not like, I don't know, just like, I like it to be unique in my style. So I got those, and the stationery was originally $5.49, but it was $3.29 plus the extra 20% off. So, you really can't beat that. And then I picked up these glassine bags. It's 5-piece, $2.49, but it was also on sale for $1.49. So I love the lemons on there. And then I got some ribbons. This was on sale for $1 actually, Place and Time. I think they're 70% off, or I don't know how, it came out to be $1. But it looks like a denim blue with little watermelons on it. Isn't that cute? That'll be great for summer projects. And I got 2 more things of ribbon. These are grosgrain ribbons, and I got a pale yellow and a minty blue. And these are by Offray. And I like how thin they are. I think they're 1/8 of an inch, right? Yeah, 1/8 of an inch by 12 feet. So they had lots of different colors to pick from on the website. I just picked these, and these were, let's see, they were $2.49, but they came out to be $1.49. So nice colors. I do like to use little ribbons for bows a lot or hanging tags. So that was it from Joann's. I placed an order with Peddler's Pack, and they are Stamp Peddler on Etsy. I'll link those down below, or I'll link the products that I got down below. They have the cutest stamps. I've gotten stuff from there before, but I placed another order and I got a few little stamps, just a few. I got this one, which is called, yes, I did write it down. Gingerbread Sprinkles. Isn't that adorable? You can use it just like this, maybe cut it out with the circle die, or, use it to make backgrounds. And that's what I did. I just wanted to show you how that looked. So I just kind of, put it on my acrylic block, and I used some rich cocoa, Memento ink, and just kept stamping and turning my stamp and made kind of like a little background. I thought that came out cute. I have a little goof there, but oh well, cover it up with something. So yeah, I thought that was fun. And then another one, I just made a tag, and it's fun if you make the stamp go off to the side, I think. So that's ready for some gingerbread projects. I can't wait to start doing that. And the other ones I got from Stamp Peddler, I got a few of the petunia stamps. They are so cute. This is one of them, and this one is called Petunia with Mixing Bowl. Isn't she cute? I don't know, it's just so charming to me. So this would be great on the back of a card or, wherever. So super cute. So I got that one, and then I got this one, and this one is called Handcrafted Gift Tag. So she's got a little glue gun and scissors. And I also got this one, and this is Petunia with Apple Pie. And there are a bunch of different ones, and I plan to get more, but I just wanted to start with these. I just think it's so cute and primitive and tiny, and yeah, very fun. So that's it for there. And I think that's all I got this week. I was busy this week sewing my gingerbread quilt, and it's done. Da, 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 da. Oh, I'm so happy. I just hung it up on my wall, and I'm going to make a video giving you guys a tour of the quilt in case you are interested. That'll be a separate video. I'll probably save it for July since it's Christmas in July, but that'll be up. That'll be coming up soon. So I finished that this morning, got it hung up, and now I'm cleaning up my craft room, getting all my sewing stuff put away, and I have other projects to work on, but I like to start with everything nice and clean and just ready to go, just like clean work surface, and you could start fresh. So that is it. Father's Day is coming up this weekend. Happy Father's Day to any dads out there, or to your husbands or dads or significant others. We're going to be going on a picnic with my husband and my kids, and my dad doesn't live by me, so I won't see him, but I'll talk to him. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you so much for joining me. I will try to be back for Saturday. I'm not sure if I will for Saturday morning makes, but I'll post if I am. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I try to post there at least every other day, sometimes every day. And that's it. I sent out the package to Alicia, so hopefully you got it, Alicia, this week for the prize. And don't worry, there'll be other giveaways coming. I will be back soon. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.